Hello and welcome to RSSDI Walk the Talk. We have a very important podcast coming up now because diabetes is all about living well. And how would you live well if you didn't know how to with diabetes? RSSDI has created a wealth of information sources, and who could tell us better than Dr. Sanjay Agrawal sir? He has been the past General Secretariat of the RSSDI and is a senior physician diabetologist from the city of Pune. Under his regime, he has created a wealth of information for those living with diabetes and their caregivers, also for the healthcare providers. So today, let's have a sneak peek into what resources do we have at RSSDI. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Chawla. It's a pleasure and honor to be on your podcast. I think I have seen some of your past podcasts and they have really been very, very informative. So we're really privileged and honored to have you doing these podcasts for RSSDI.
Let me backtrack and remind you, sir, during the COVID times when information was so scarce and of course we didn't know where to look for information, it was him and Dr. Bansi Sabu who started the RSSDI Diabetes Bites. And most of you are aware of Diabetes Bites and how we would share information on a weekly basis about diabetes on Facebook with all our experts.
And let me tell you, it was very, very popular and we used to get great reviews because people connected with those diabetes bites and found so much of information that was very valuable for them.
It was a fantastic idea, sir, that we started it with, and I think you took it a long way and we really appreciate those efforts.
Thank you very much.
So we would like to know, okay, we can start with healthcare providers or doctors or physicians or diabetologists. How exactly can we get more information out of the RSSDI pool or wealth or treasure trove that we have?
Thank you. So I think all of us know RSSDI as an organization. It's a leading organization, not only in India but across the world when it comes to representing healthcare professionals. So we are a very well organized democratic body and we have a history of almost 52 years which has really been a block building for what RSSDI is today. One of the most key functioning of the body is to represent the voice of diabetes. Now, it may be the voice of healthcare professionals, it may be the voice of individual people who suffer from diabetes. And we know that today we have the largest population of people with diabetes in the world.
Absolutely.
Only in second to China. I don't want to lose that distinction of being at least second to something, not being the leading leading country with diabetes. But having said that, I think as a healthcare professionals, all of us and members of the organization, हमारा ये sort of कर्तव्य बनता है कि हम किस तरीके से लोगों को जिसको डायबिटीज़ है उनकी लाइफ इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं. दूसरा ये है कि हमें इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट डायबिटीज़ सबको बताना चाहिए क्योंकि 1 in 4 people tend to have somebody whom they know has diabetes. It may be a family member, it may be a relative, it may be a friend, it may be anybody. So हर एक को जानकारी मिलनी ज़रूरी है डायबिटीज़ के बारे में ताकि जब वो दूसरों को बोलेंगे तो वो कॉन्शियस होंगे, अपना ब्लड शुगर देखेंगे और इसी तरीके से हमें ज़्यादा जानकारी मिलेगी और लोगों को मालूम पड़ेगा कि उनको डायबिटीज़ है या नहीं. और इसमें एक ये बताना चाहूँगा कि हमने एक प्रोग्राम रन किया था डिफिक डायबिटीज़ प्रोग्राम जिसमें मैडम भी उसके शामिल थे. उसमें उनके हस्बैंड भी थे डॉक्टर मनोज चावला, जो डॉक्टर बंसी साहब, मैंने डॉक्टर राकेश पारिक और हमारे कई EC मेंबर्स और सारे मेंबर्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के पार्टिसिपेट किया था. और ये इस इरादे से किया था क्योंकि ऑलमोस्ट अबाउट 50% ऑफ आवर पॉपुलेशन डोंट नो दैट दे हैव डायबिटीज एंड व्हेन दे डोंट नो दे आर गोइंग टू बी कमिंग टू अस with presence of complications. So we wanted to tell people at least test your blood glucose once so that you know whether you have presence of diabetes. And in one single day, we managed to have 1 million people test their blood glucose, which is a record by itself and it was documented by the Asian Book of Health. But we got a lot of information from that data gathering that we did during the process. But we now know कि हमें diabetes जो है सिर्फ 35 साल के ऊपर स्क्रीनिंग नहीं करना है पर हमें 18 साल के ऊपर भी देखना चाहिए. और हमारे जो टाइप 1 डायबिटिक पीपल है जो लार्जेस्ट है वर्ल्ड में अभी और वो बढ़ रहे हैं 5% से हर साल को. तो हम किस तरीके से टाइप 1 पॉपुलेशन को, जो हमने कोशिश करी है कि इनको इंसुलिन प्रोवाइड किया जाए, उनको ग्लूकोज टिप प्रोवाइड किया जाए ताकि वो कंट्रोल स्ट्रेस कर सकें, क्योंकि इंसुलिन नहीं मिलने की वजह से या उनको इंसुलिन डायबिटीज़ नई जानकारी की वजह से कई बच्चे या कई जो टाइप 1 डायबिटिक्स है वो अपनी जान खो देते हैं। तो एज एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन RSSDI ने ये फैसला किया था कि हमने टाइप 1 बच्चों को या टाइप 1 पेशेंट्स को सपोर्ट करना है। वैसे ही हमने बारी बारी से हमने काफ़ी रिसर्च को सपोर्ट किया है डायबिटीज़ के लिए, क्योंकि जब तक हम अपना पॉपुलेशन में नहीं देखेंगे कि डायबिटीज़ किस तरीके से prevalent है, तो हम बाहर की जो रिकमेंडेशंस है वो मुमकिन है कि हमारे लिए लागू नहीं है। तो हमें अपना डेटा गैदरिंग करना ज़रूरी है, जिससे हम अपने पॉपुलेशन के स्पेसिफिक जो है ट्रीटमेंट्स कर सकें, गाइडलाइंस कर सकें। एंड मैडम ने कई चीज़ें इस गाइडलाइन में कंट्रीब्यूट करी है, सो वी आर ओनली थैंकफुल फॉर हर फॉर मेकिंग सच अ लॉट ऑफ कंट्रीब्यूशंस टू RSSDI.
Thank you, sir. But I think overall RSSDI has been a very inspiring body under various leaderships, and we have always found a great way to connect with other physicians also, so that we can discuss, get more learning about how to treat diabetes and how to manage diabetes better. So, and I think you made an equivocal statement about patient education. So, patient education for someone living with diabetes is paramount. It's almost as important as taking the medicines or checking sugars or even giving, with the right amount of right dietary guidance, etc. So we just want to know quickly from you as to what resources do we have in the RSSDI website specifically for patients. What sort of resources?
हमारी जो RSSDI वेबसाइट है वो हमने दो भाग में करी हुई है, कि एक तो डॉक्टर्स के लिए, पर उसमें हमने ज़्यादा पेशेंट्स के लिए किया है, क्योंकि हमारी सारी वॉइसेस जो है पेशेंट के लिए है, और जब तक हम पेशेंट्स की नहीं कदर करेंगे तब तक हम वो नहीं अचीव कर सकते। तो हमने इन्फोग्राफिक्स बनाए हुए, वीडियोज़ बनाए हुए, हमने अपनी न्यूट्रिशन गाइडलाइंस बनाई हुई है, क्योंकि हमारे न्यूट्रिशन आर फूड हैबिट्स आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द रेस्ट ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन. So we need, and there is no more, we all know the fact how food influences blood. So we need to have our country specific guidelines, which we took a lot of effort to build up so that people know exactly what they should eat. We've had guidelines for glucose monitoring, we've had so many other guidelines, but patient information हमने बहुत सारा रखा है, और मैं अर्ज करूँगा कि RSSDI वेबसाइट पे आप जा करके देखें इस बारे में. और हमें किसी को भी, जो हम RSSDI मेंबर्स हैं, आपको कोई भी इन्फॉर्मेशन की ज़रूरत है, या तब हम डायरेक्टली RSSDI को लिख सकते हैं, या हम में से किसी को भी आप डायरेक्टली पूछ सकते हैं. वी विल ओनली बी टू हैप्पी टू प्रोवाइड इन्फॉर्मेशन. वी आर देयर फॉर यू. You are most important for us as a patient, because all our entire efforts is successful only if you fare better in terms of your glucose control, achieve your targets of less than 7%. We can prevent complications, we can prevent diabetes, and we can make people happy.
Absolutely, well said, sir. And the RSSDI website is really a work of beauty and patience, because a lot of information is there. अगर आपके घर में किसी को डायबिटीज़ है, या आपको खुद को डायबिटीज़ है, टाइप 1 हो, चाहे टाइप 2 हो, या जेस्टेशनल डायबिटीज़ हो, या कोई और प्रकार की डायबिटीज़, आपके लिए बहुत गाइडेंस है हमारे वेबसाइट पे. So please visit the website, please visit our social media handles, and you will get authentic, original information and messages from our experts like you. So thank you very much, sir, and it was an absolute pleasure chatting up with you and reliving so many RSSDI moments.
We had so many good memorable moments, and we'll continue to live them.
Absolutely.
And create more for the future.
That's the fun of it. And please continue watching RSSDI Walk the Talk, and see you soon with yet another episode.
Thank you.
Thank you.